Well, what do we have here? They are printing Gaussian splats now. If you don't know what Gaussian splat is, it is a way to get a real object and transfer into the 3D world. I mean, it's not a real 3D mesh, so it couldn't be possible to print, but now apparently you can. And look how nice this looks. Some company made it and it looks fantastic. I mean, you can tell this is not real because if there was a bee this size, I would burn the earth and run to Mars, because holy damn. You can see here the real bee is around this size and like this, and the Gaussian splat 3D printing is perfect. It looks exactly like it. Well, this guy went to SIGGRAPH and noticed this technology, and the interesting part is that this is not a regular 3D print. This is a 3D print that can do full color and volumetric stuff, accounting for light scattering, density, and translucency. That's just incredible because you can now print pretty much everything and it will look real. It looks like a real object trapped into resin. If you are wondering what type of 3D printer can do this, well, this is the beast. This must be very expensive, but apparently you can ask to make a 3D printing for you. They have this site here and some galleries. And if you go here to Studio, you can upload a model yourself and follow the steps here. And at the end, you have place an order. So here in their X page, we have here other examples. So look at this. Someone put a forest inside of it with text. Oh, this is much better. So if you get close, it kind of looks like you are there. So another interesting piece of technology here, 3D printing Gaussian splats. Very nice, from Krista AI. I'm gonna put all of the links in the description if you wanna see it. And let me know what you think, and see ya.